Hi, Mrs. Sindley's friends. You guys watched. There was an old lady who swallowed some leaves yesterday. We're going to talk about how we think the vocabulary words could have fit in to that story. Okay? So one of our words was to fetch. Okay? And to fetch, when you're fetching something, that means you're going after it and you're bringing it back, right? Here was our fetch, right here. We're going after it and we're bringing it back. So can you think of something that there was an old lady who swallowed some leaves? What did she fetch? Let's think about that. Do you think she had to go and fetch the things that she swallowed? She had to go fetch leaves. She had to go fetch a pumpkin. She had to go fetch a shirt that she put the leaves in. So she had to go fetch that stuff. She had to go get that stuff and bring it back and put it in her mouth, didn't she? So she had to go fetch that stuff. What about discover? Okay, what about discover? When you discover, you're learning something new. How do you think that might have fit in this story? Okay, how do you think that might have fit in this story? Do you think she discovered that all the things that she swallowed helped her in the end? How did all the things that she swallowed help her at the very end of that story? What did she do with all the things that she swallowed once she sneezed them out? What did she do with all that stuff? She made a scarecrow, didn't she? A pumpkin-faced scarecrow. So she discovered that all the things that she swallowed, and when she sneezed it all out, it helped her build a pumpkin-faced scarecrow. Right? So she discovered that. What about rumble? A low, long sound. Do you think her stomach, it didn't say whether her stomach did this or not, but when she swallowed all those things, do you think her stomach rumbled and grumbled and hurt? I'm sure it did. She had a lot of things in her stomach that she swallowed, didn't she? So I bet her tummy was rumbling. What do you think? Do you think it was rumbling? I think it might have been rumbling. What about tools? Tools are things that help people do work or help people learn. What did she use that pole for? That pole was to prop up that pumpkin, remember? Do you think she used that pole as a tool to help her prop up that pumpkin? That's what it sounds like. And it sounds like she used all the things that she swallowed as tools because she used all of those things to make the scarecrow in the end, didn't she? To make the pumpkin-faced scarecrow. What about defeated? Did she feel like she had won? She probably did feel like she had won when she sneezed because she probably felt defeated when she made that pumpkin-faced scarecrow. When she sneezed all that stuff out, she was able to make that pumpkin-faced scarecrow. And so then she felt defeated that she had sneezed it all out. She had all the objects that she needed to make a pumpkin-faced scarecrow. So she won. All right? She had all that stuff to make something, didn't she? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that story. It was fun watching that story. Mrs. Hensley even watched it. I thought it was a cute story, and I've read that story before, but I had to watch it again just to see exactly what all she swallowed. I hope you enjoyed doing the activity on drawing two things that she had swallowed. That was a good story, and I loved the end when it said happy fall, and she had made that pumpkin-faced scarecrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. You do not need to make a response to this video. I just wanted to go over the vocabulary with you of that story, and You can give me any kind of shape that you want to respond. That way it's not sitting inside your assignments, okay? I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. We are going to be reading Fletcher and the Falling Leaves here shortly. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, a fantastic or fantabulous Friday, and Mrs. Henson will see you soon. Bye, friends.